Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a group chat on iPhone. So if the conversation becomes annoying and the text notification just need to stop, if message notifications are driving you crazy, then you have the option to either leave the group chat or mute text notifications. If everyone in the group text has iPhone, they are likely using iMessage. You will be able to recognize that your messages these members because your text messages will appear in a blue text bubble. If Android users are in the chat, then your messages will appear in green text bubbles. You only have the option to leave a group text on your iPhone if all group chat members are using iOS devices. To remove yourself from a group text, if all members have iPhones, open the Messages app, tap the group text you want to leave, tap the top header of the conversation where the messages profiles are shown, and then select Leave this conversation and confirm. Then tap Done. All group members will see that you have left and you won't receive any more messages from the group text. If you are not seeing the option to leave the group chat, and you are seeing green text bubbles, then you can mute the conversation instead to stop receiving notifications from the group text. Remember, you cannot leave a group text on your iPhone if it includes non-Apple users. And there you go. That's how you can leave a group messages on your iPhone or mute it if you are unable to leave. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.